What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to light the gas oven and I'm going to show you how to light the gas grill. So this is our New World oven. You got your igniter switch. You got this knob to light up this one. And then this one to light up that one. Then this one is to light the oven. And that one's for the grill. Got this one for that one. And last but not least, this one for that one. So I'm going to show you how to light up the gas oven. So first, hold in the igniter switch, push in the knob and turn it to light the flame. So I'm going to show you. Good. And now you lit your flame in the oven. You need to hold it from 5 to 10 seconds and that's what your flame should look like. Set to any temperature you want. And switch off the oven, so that's why the flame went out. Last but not least is the grill. Yeah, so you hold the igniter switch and then turn it like that way, anti-clockwise. If you want the big flame, then turn it to that. If you want the small flame, do that. Okay. So you wanna press the igniter switch, push in the knob, turn it to light the gas. Now I'm gonna show you. You're gonna turn it, press the igniter switch, push in the knob. Is the flame there? Yep. So I ignite the flame. And the flame is there. So you could hold from 5 to 10 seconds, and I did. There. Just watching it burn. Okay, let me turn it off. Right. And that's how you light your gas oven and how to light the gas grill. So bye.